Hello everyone, my name is Vidana Valtela and today I will present my research entitled Becoming a Woman, a Feminist, Existentialist Analysis of Jamaica Kinches Girls. So this research focuses on how the short story Girls uh, represents the social construction of womanhood using Simone de Beauvoir feminist existentialism as the main theory. For the first background of the study, first let me explain the backgrounds. A. Literature. Literatures reflect humans' experience and the social structures around us. Through literary texts, we can see how people identities are shaped, especially women who live under strong social expectations. For the short story, usually focuses on small moment or a single conflicts. In Girls, the entire story is written as one long list of instructions from a mother of her daughters. This format shows how society slowly shaped the girls through repetitive commands. Feminist literature study how women are represented in texts and how gender roles limit their freedoms. Literary work often show the invisible pressure placed on women in patriarchal cultures. For the context of girls, in Girls, the mother gives strict instructions about how the girl must behave as a proper woman. These instructions are not only about a course, but also about appearance, speech, behavior in the public, and even sexuality. The story fits Simon de Beauvoir idea the women are shapes not born with feminist qualities. Okay, for the problem formulations, based on this background, the research focuses on three problems. First, how is girl represented in the short story? Two, how does the mother instructions shape her identity as a woman? For third, how can behavior feminist existentialisms explain the constructions of womanhood in the text? For the purpose of the study, the purpose of this research are to analyze the representation of the girl in Girls, to explain how social expectation shapes her identity, and to apply Simone de Beauvoir's theory to understand how womanhood is socially constructed in the story. Limitation of the object. The study only focused on first the two main figures, the girls and the mothers. And then the Simon de Beauvoir feminist existentialisms and gender expectations show in the text. The study does not discuss the author's biography or full historical context. For significance of the study, there are two types of significance. First, theoretical significance. This research helps broaden the understanding of feminism existentialisms in literary studies. It also explains how womanhood can be shaped by external social forces. Partial practical significance. This research help readers and students how understand how young girl experience gender constructions in everyday life. It's also arise awareness about how culture interactions shape women from society from young age. For the theoretical framework, this study used Simon de Beauvoir's feminist existentialisms. The main idea, Beauvoir argues that women are not born with feminine qualities. Society shapes women through rules, beliefs, and expectations. Women become the others because society defines them through men's perspective. For the key concepts, there are three key concepts used in this research. First, becoming a woman. Identity is learned, not natural. In Girl, the mother teach the girl how to behave according to culture's norms. The others, women exist as secondary to men. Many instructions relate to how men will judge the girls. Third, oppression and conditioning. The mother's command limit the girl's choice. She taught domestic skill instead of independence. She application to the text. In girls, the girls becomes a woman not by nature but through constant command by her mothers. The mother represents society and story how femininity is constructed through repeated discipline. Previous study. There are several previous studies related to this topic. For the first is Thompson's Ellie explaining that the story reflects strict expectation about proper womanhood in practical cultures, and the others you can see in my background, in my photos backgrounds. The study support my research, but none none one of them use Simone de Beauvoir theory. Therefore, my study fills this gap by applying feminist existentialisms. For the methodology, this research uses a qualitative method with descriptive textual analysis. Data source, the primary data is a short story Girl by Jamaica Kincaid, and the secondary data includes books, articles, and journal about feminist theory and Simone de Beauvoir. For data collection, the data were collected through close reading of the text, identifying commands, and selecting parts that slow gender expectations. For data analysis, the comments in the story were interpreted using behavior concepts to explain how the girl's identity is shaped. The analysis focuses on how the story represents on how contractions of womanhood and critiques patriarchal norms. Okay, I think that is in the end of my presentations. Thank you for paying attention, and I am now too ready to answer your any question. Please ask to my WhatsApp or WhatsApp group. Thank you. See you next time.